Very, very good morning. A very, very good morning to all of you, bacho. How are you? Hello, Shankaran, Vedika, Abdul, Dinesh, Jyoti Jha, Sapna, Alok, Anuradha, Khushi, Shahzab, Jayesh, Shankaran, Honey. Very, very good morning to all of you, beta. Anyways, I got a doubt, Dinesh, just right now, and since I couldn't get your doubt till the last class, so I will discuss the same doubt in the next class. Don't worry, beta. There should be a system so that we can do the daily basis with the limited lectures. If any doubt is there, even a single point is there, then it must be posted by you at application. Post available. Okay, so that I can read, and next time before starting the class, I will definitely solve your doubt. Okay. Anyways, otherwise there will be not coverage of all the topics along with the question practice. If you are having even a single point is doubt is there, then please post immediately so that in the next class, while I will be coming to you, then before that I could read and properly communicate with you an example and proper logic. Anyways, now coming back to the session. So first of all, we are moving to next unit. That is, of course, piecemeal distribution. Okay. One more person is also asking that there is also one doubt. Beta, please post your doubt because the time limitation is there, and we are having more 3 lectures, including this, in which we have to cover 3 units. At least 15 lectures are there in regular basis. Although I have posted you my regular class notes, but all the questions cannot be possible in the limitation of lecture. Anyways, now let's start. So, beta, I'm going to revise concept again. First, in the first unit, we discussed that there is a dissolution of partnership firm in which we shall deal in the way that all the assets will get sold on the same date and the payment will also be transferred to the relevant person, whether external parties or the internal parties, on the same date. And definitely, I discussed up to the last class that it is not possible that all the assets will get sold immediately. So now moving to the practical situation, and that is covered in the second unit. The assets will be sold one by one. Okay, one by one. And payment will be dealt accordingly. So please read this as I have already make you noted. The payment will be done as soon as the payment will come, but subject to priority. And what is the priority? First priority is for outsiders, means for a partnership firm. Anyways, before moving to further, I want ready from all of you. Give me a Josh, show me your Josh that all of you are still in the class with the very full energy. Everyone, show me your today's anniversary energy. Give me a ready. Can I start, everyone? And please, there should be a doubt system. You can post your doubt here or at Google, whatever. I will find the doubt. In the comment box also you can doubt. You can send your doubt, okay? Ready. Alok is ready, Dinesh is ready, Piyush is also ready. Although I have not taken doubt of Dinesh right now, but still very impressive, Dinesh. You are not in the good, different mood. You are in a good mood that yes, we have trust on you. In the next class, you will deal. Piyush ready, Khojema ready, Prerna ready, Ankit ready, Sapna, Jyoti Jha, Vedika, Honey. Very good. Okay. I just got an ID. Please write down here. I'm writing here, and please you note down for the doubt. Just I got ID, and that is accounting. Please note down so that how I can take your doubt timely. Okay, I'm typing here. Every student, please note down here. I am writing. COUNT accounting. ये क्या underscore dash है. Okay, dash enter @ICAI.in. Beta, please note down the email ID at which you can send your doubt, so that in the next class we shall start with the solution of doubt. Okay, I hope everyone has noted, and it's time to move further. Anyways, so beta, this is the priority. First payment is done to outsiders. Outsiders means everyone please tell me who are the outsiders for the partnership firm. What kind of outsiders you are finding in the balance sheet? Can you please tell some examples? I am waiting. Everyone must be must answer immediately so that we can move in real time. Danesh is saying that okay beta, on BOS app na, don't worry, please related to me, you can post at this email ID and they will forward me mail. Don't worry, that's my responsibility. ऐप पे भी मतलब मेरे पास मेल पे आ जाएगी ना. ठीक है. Okay, anyways. Okay beta, so let's start. Yes, very good. And the students are answering creditors, loan, bank, beta bank loan. Okay, I'm taking this bank as bank loan. Okay, bank, financial institution, creditors, lenders, bills payable. Yes, very good. BP, bank loan. Beta, note customers. That's the reason I am asking you. Note the customers to whom we have to pay. Anyways, that those are also investors are also external. Yes, but beta, we are asking here. I am asking here for the liabilities. Okay, Babu. Yes, very good. Government, very good. Creditors bank loan outstanding. Very, 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 very good. Everyone is perfect now. Beta. Now we are talking about the insider person. Okay, beta. And who are the insider person? So of course, partner. And if I ask you, beta, insider liabilities, then very good, very good. Everyone is answering perfect. So outsiders, after outsiders, there are two types of insider person. One is insider, but in the form of liability. So I would like to say insider liability. And last one is insider in the form of ownership. Okay. So let's start. Beta, chapter name has been given as piecemeal distribution. Okay, everyone, first write down to start your chapter the name of chapter. Please write down here name of unit, that is piecemeal distribution. Hello, everyone. Please write down here piecemeal distribution. Okay. Yeah, partner loan is also there. Yes. Can you please tell me the simple meaning of piece? Yes, sir, we can share with you the simple meaning of peace. Okay. Then please tell what is the meaning of peace. Sir, peace means share, or you can say part. Share means not the shares of company. Share means hissa, part. And what does it mean by meal? Means khana, food. So I am writing here part. Okay, part. And what about food and what about distribution? Means batna, sharing. Can you please tell in usual days with whom? Yeah, portion. Portion is very good word. Very, very good. Sapna beta, very, very good. So can you please tell me with whom you usually share food or eat food? Usually. Can you please tell everyone? I am waiting for an answer. Answer immediately. Lakshmi, good morning, beta. Priya, distribution account to which we have very, very good. Can you please tell me with whom in usual practice we eat, we share our food? With family or friends, parents, brother and friends. Very good. With family. Yes. So beta, usually we take and share food with the family, sharing with family. So I am asking you, beta, here in this chapter, to whom we can say that is family? Of course, partners. Partners. So beta ji, before moving to further, first we have to understand the theme of this chapter. This chapter is asking you about the distribution between the partners, means owners. So here will be 3 steps. Number 1 step, please see. Number 1 step, there will be realization of amount. Of course, there will be realization of assets, relation of amount from assets. And on the same time, we will distribute, or rather, instead of being said distribute, we will say paid. The payment will be done to outsiders, and after that, very good, everyone is giving perfect answer. After that, there comes the stage when the remaining balances are there. Then we again check, is there any internal liability, payment to partners, loan or advances. Beta C. And when remaining is there, only that is able to distribute. Number 4, the remaining is distributed. Remaining is distributed. Of course, with family, which is here as a partner. Okay, I am zooming here. Don't worry. You can easily, beta, please always tell if there is any screen problem, zooming, etc. Okay, beta. Remaining is only, or you can say only remaining is distributed. Only remaining is distributed. Very good. So chapter here, which is called piecemeal distribution, belongs to here. So chapter is moving for this. To whom it should be distributed first. There are three partners. Suppose there are three partners, Mr. A, Mr. B, and Mr. C. There are three partners. Come on, take an example of your family. Feel like you are doing business having the partners from family. You know, in childhood, in very childhood, although you are still in childhood, until unless you are becoming chartered accountant, you are still children, very, very small children. Beta, in very childhood, you have definitely fought with a good fight with your own brother or sister or cousins or friends. Sir, definitely everyone is having, but there was out of many reasons, there was one reason. Someone was contributing more and another one was contributing less, and we were enjoying the party. And the person who invested more was seeking more for share of the all the things which we are enjoying in the party. Suppose Danish, I am giving you answer, don't worry, I have noted this, but first enjoy this example because this will be clear you the concept. Beta, suppose you and your brother or sister are here, Mr. A, Mr. B, and Mr. C, and all of you shared a party in which all of you invested 10,000 each. See, all of you invested 10,000 each. Okay, yeah, Arun Shinde is saying still we are fighting. Yes, every day we are fighting. Even though I have two cute child, still we brother sister are always in fighting mode normally. Beta, there is ratio, but ratio we found that the big brother is saying I will enjoy 50% for mine. So he said the ratio will be in this. Then the another brother was saying, okay, I will enjoy this. And then he was saying, I will be enjoying balance. Okay. What is the ratio? 4:3:2. Okay, let's do in this way. 4:4:2. Okay, beta. 4:4:2. 4:4 no. 3:1. Let's do 3:1. 3:2:1 means the youngest brother or sister was enjoying very little share. Still, he is still investing the same amount. Can you please tell me which one should be paid first if the firm is being dissolved? Definitely who is in the more pain side, that must be compensated first. Beta, our chapter piecemeal distribution belongs to here. Piecemeal distribution chapter belongs to here, to whom it should be firstly paid, to whom it should be distributed first as per priority. And the priority here is being decided between the partners. Who invested more will get first. Can you tell me who is investing here more? Everyone, I am waiting for an answer. Hanis and Abdul are saying A is investing more. Very good. Parth is saying A is investing much, so he will be get first. Hai na? Where are rest of the students? Come on, tell me to whom it should be paid first, because he is in the painful situation as compared to other. Come on, tell me. Yes, all invested equally but enjoying the different ratio. Beta, Prachi, think one of you is Prachi, and all the students must think that they are Mr. C and their elder brother or sisters are Mr. A and B. Then they will get the correct answer. And most of the students are saying A, beta, C. A has invested the same like their younger brother, like his younger brother or sister, and he is enjoying 50%. Do you know He is very, very happy. He is very, very happy. He is saying, thank God I am eldest brother. Now see, he is happy, but small happy. And she is not happy because he is saying, I have also invested the same, but I am enjoying very less. We have to calculate the ratio very, very good. Beta, this is the chapter. If you commanded this calculation, the chapter is yours and number is yours. Okay. The main theme is in this calculation. So please tell me how we should calculate. Sir, we will distribute and we will calculate who is getting maximum even though invested less. How that will be calculated? Beta, we have to calculate here first one thing, that is per unit of ratio who is investing how much per unit investment. Can you please see? Can you please tell me per unit what A is investing for getting per unit of ratio? For ratio per unit, we can say this per unit base. What we will say? Per unit base. 10,000 divided by 3. So Mr. A is investing only and only 3 rupees. Ignore the fractions, but not on calculator. So Mr. A is to invest only this one for getting 50%. And what Mr. B has to invest per unit? So he has to invest per, so he is getting 1 unit of ratio by investing 5,000. And what about Mr. C? Mr. C is investing for per unit of ratio, it's 10,000. Oh. Now, can you please tell me how we shall calculate who is investing more and how much? Can you please tell me? Can you please tell who is investing more as compared to other and what the amount is there which is excess as compared to other? I am waiting for your answer, beta. Okay, someone is saying, sir, 5,000, 10,000. Okay, how they calculated? Let's enjoy this session because this is really very interesting chapter and important chapter and interesting also. Lo beta. So first we shall calculate on the basis of less invested per unit. Less invested per unit. Who is there? We have to highlight, but not in exam. Don't try this in exam. We are highlighting here only for you. So this is the lowest unit. So we shall choose the lowest unit. What we shall do here? We shall choose the lowest per unit base. Beta, I will not repeat the session. So be more focused because this is really critical calculation. If you are losing, then you will not get. You have to revise in the revision in the video by from YouTube. Please do it in live mode. Mr. C is investing more. Yes. How we have to calculate in the exam? First, we shall calculate per unit base in the very easiest manner. Then we shall write here what should be, what is the required investment based on lowest per unit. Required per unit के basis पर, on the basis of per unit, what they should invest. Mr. A is getting 3 units and at the rate of 3333, he should invest 10,000. Okay. Is there any excess? Come on, tell me. Is there any excess? No. Excess is not there for him. Nil. And what about Mr. B? Based on the lowest per unit, we are calculating here what they should invest. होता है ना, in usual life, while we are in the family, we say, Mama, you gave him two toffees and I am here only for one toffee. Why? He has more. So first we have to calculate now that he should also get one. If I am getting one, then he should also get one. So he is getting excess. In the same way, who is investing lowest? Based on lowest, we are calculating what the person should invest. So 333 multiplied by 2 will be here. Okay, beta? That is, he should invest 6667. And based on this lowest, what Mr. C should invest, we shall write down here. Okay, so he must be the investor of only this amount. So what they are having excess, sir, here Mr. B is having excess of 3333. Okay, beta. And he is having 6667. Okay, beta. Come on, tell me. Can you please tell up to this? Okay. Can you please tell till this clear? And Danesh was asking another doubt. I will answer that. Tell me, everyone, till this okay? Write down here, till this okay. Okay, okay, yes. Anyways, but beta, available amount is, if total, how much total amount is there? 63667 and 3333. Okay, if the available amount is only, available amount means, sir, agar if beta available amount is only and only 5,000, then to whom it should be paid? To whom it should be paid? Okay, okay, wait a minute. Students are asking to repeat. I know this is the problematic area, so I have to repeat. Don't worry. I am still revising. See, I am revising up to yet now. Okay, beta? Everyone, please revise with me. Even if you are clear, still you must revise with me. Okay, beta? Okay, I am telling you, don't worry. Prachi, you were late, I think, or still not. Okay, then please see. Beta, Mr. A, Mr. B, and Mr. C all were the investor of equal amount. Okay, beta? Now, leave the family example and come to the directly to the partnership firm. Beta, 3 partners are there, Mr. A, Mr. B, and Mr. C. Okay, beta? And they are, even though they are investing the same, but someone was getting more and another one was getting more. Okay, beta? So in this case, if partnership firm is being dissolved, then then rule is there. Gardner Massey says one more thing, that last profit and loss should be in profit sharing ratio. And if last profit and loss should be in profit sharing ratio, then first we have to pay extra in addition to the profit and loss sharing ratio. So first we have to calculate what they are having extra as compared to others. Here, what we do, we calculate per unit. For per unit, what they are investing. Everyone is investing for per unit. Okay, how much they are investing for per unit. So for this, we divide the total amount by their ratio first. As like in this case, what is that? That is per unit base is calculated by dividing by their units, by their amount with respect to unit. As you know, in case of Mr. A, 10,000 is total investment by Mr. A, and he is getting 3 points of ratio. So what is the cost of investment for him for 1 point of ratio? 333. And what is the cost for another, for per unit, to get 1 unit in the ratio what the partners are investing? Okay, beta, from partners view you are seeing. So per unit you have find, and what is the lowest investment, we will choose the base as a lowest. Who is investing lowest? Based on that, we shall compare what the other should invest. If lowest for per unit, he is investing only 3333, then what the other person should invest. See how we shall calculate the required units, required capital by them, what the requirement must be fulfilled. Mr. A is getting the 3 points, then we shall calculate by multiplying the 3, the same amount will come definitely. Is there any excess for him? No, he is getting nothing excess. Okay, beta. Nothing excess is for, he is investing the same, but the others are investing more as compared to they required. They required only 6667 because based on this 3333, Mr. B should invest 3333 multiplied by 2. 3333 multiplied by 2 means 6667. So he, and what Mr. C should invest? This one. The excess amount we calculated here in this way. So I am waiting for doubt. Either write down doubt or write down clear. Divide the ratio with the capital amount. Take the lowest. Very good. As base multiply. Yes, but I am not using the technical term, Abdul. In layman language, sir, if in here C invested 2000, do we need to take the amount of C as a base? Yes, beta, you are right. The lowest will be chosen as the base. You are right, beta. Okay. Okay. Next. Now I am asking you, beta, if available amount is only 5000, why we have to calculate this excess? Because the amount available is not so much that all of them can get the payment. You know how much payment they are required to pay in the firm? Sir, tell us, beta, this is the total final amount which is required to be paid to partners for their capital balances, and we are calculating here to whom we should pay first. Okay. Next, since 5000 was not available to settle the dues of all the partners at the one single shot, hence we have to calculate in this way. So it was insufficient to pay all dues. Okay, amount available was not sufficient to pay all the dues on the first time in the single shot. Hence, we have to calculate that first we have to pay those who are in more painful situation, even though they have invested the same, but they are getting the less amount as the ratio. So who has invested more as compared to the ratio point he achieved, that must be paid first. Okay, clear? Now, still again we see, it is still 10,000. Oh, again, the same problem is here. Still 5,000 is not sufficient to clear the excess part of Mr. B and C. Now they will start fighting. First me, first I shall receive. No, again, the same process will be followed now, but not among all the partners. That will be followed between B and C. Can you please tell? Can you please do this calculation? Can you please do this step next further without my sharing with you? Tell me. I am waiting. To whom it should be paid first? What is the excess over excess amount here? I will solve, don't worry. But I want answer from you. If anyone can answer, then please answer. I am waiting. Use your mind, because this is only the chapter. All rest things are similar to first unit. See, and amount, I please also write down amount. I am solving here. So per unit base, again we have to calculate per unit base. So for this, again, we have to write down here the ratio, but the ratio must be now only of 2 and 1. because we are comparing the ratio axis, the axis over axis between B and C. The ratio here is 2 and 1. Now we shall divide their axis amount by their ratio. So here we found Mr. B is investing 1667, okay, based on their P&L ratio. I am solving slowly so that you all can take the time to solve. I hope you have done. But a per unit base will be calculated again between them. Okay. Now 6667. You will find here that Mr. C is really in very painful situation. C. So axis over axis, another name of axis is surplus. Another name of axis is surplus. So we can say here axis over axis, or we can also say here surplus over. This method is also called surplus distribution method. As per our study material, this method is also called surplus distribution method. And since we are using here ratio, this is also called proportionate distribution method. This is really critical if you are not taking the proper base. Okay, beta. So I am taking here base per unit, which is this one. Based on that, we shall calculate first what is the required capital they must invest. See, what is the required capital they must invest. Again, we are calculating here the required based on 1667. He must invest 3333 and he must invest 1667. Why? Because per unit lowest part is 1667 and Mr. C is getting only 1667. 1667. It means if we are comparing B and C, then Mr. C is having excess of rupees 5,000. It was not strategic. I always give example in the real mode, not the scripted mode. By chance, the figure is same. So I am asking you, beta, if amount available is only 5,000, then to whom it must be paid first? Can you please tell? To whom it must be paid first? Of course, Mr. C. So first amount will be distributed to lastest over axis and over axis. Clear? Another point I am discussing here, but first you have to tell me up to this clear or not. Only Abdul has answered clear. I want clearness from all of you, because if this is in your hand, then chapter is in your hand and marks are also in your hand. But this is the critical point. If you are dealing in simplest manner, then definitely you are doing good. Clear or not? C will be paid first. Yes, sir. Clear. Clear, sir. Clear. Okay, beta. Okay, beta. Nipun is also there. First time interacting. And rest all are enjoying their paratha. Paratha, dosas, etc. in breakfast. I know. Anyways, now starting. Beta, suppose amount available was not 5,000. Yes. Jayesh beta, I am coming to that. Okay, I am taking your amount in example. I was taking about 8,000, but still you are saying 7,000, then I am 7,000. Okay. Khojma Saab, Patate wala is also saying, yes, I am taking the example the same. Anyways, suppose the amount available is not the same. If it is 7,000, I am taking 7,000, I am taking. Can you please tell? Still, you have to calculate the same. Then you have to check. You have to check up to which stage 7,000 amount can compensate the excess. Beta, see. Here we calculated the excess, yes sir, but that was 10,000. It means we have to calculate further. It means we have to calculate further because 7,000 is still not available to compensate full 10,000. If here it could be 10,000, then we do not need to calculate next step because 10,000 would have been sufficient to compensate that excess. Okay, but since I am taking the example that 10,000 is not there, that is 7,000 only. It means we have to calculate. Yes. Then how we shall distribute this 7,000? First we shall distribute how much? 5,000. So we have already distributed 5,000. What the remaining amount that must be distributed? Only 2,000 remaining amount. The second distribution will be between B and C. Sir, we will not share to A. Yes, beta, we will not share up to the time we are compensating this excess. Until and unless this excess has been paid to them, A will not be in queue to get the payment sharing. Okay, beta. Now, I am asking you what the amount remaining for Mr. C. See, sir, out of 6,667, 5,000 Mr. C has got. It means the remaining amount which is pending, is this one. Please check your calculation. If I want to ask you what the B and C are having outstanding balance between them, then I would like to say that 333 has to be compensated first and 1,667 has to be compensated first. Means we shall distribute remaining 2,000 between B and C in their profit sharing ratio until and unless they are getting their 10,000 excess, because the inequality between B and C in regards to the ratio has already been compensated by 5,000. Only 5,000 was there which was unequal between B and C, and if we remove that inequality, then all the things are in the ratio between B and C. So we have to distribute 2,000 between B and C in their profit sharing ratio. Can you please tell Mr. B and C will get how much amount? Yes sir, 2,000 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. Sir, is this today's math lecture? Yes beta. Sir, are we in mathematics class? Yes beta. Sir, are you math teacher? No beta, I am also afraid of math, but still we have to do this. So this is the remaining amount. So if I want to ask you what the amount total has been distributed to A, B and C, if I am writing in the main statement A, B, C, and their balances are this one balances are 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, total 30,000. How we shall present this in the main statement? This is the way. Out of this, that when first amount is being realized, realization number. So I am taking here 7,000 as we discussed. Distribution less distribution to Mr. A nil, Mr. B how much? 1,333, 3. And Mr. C, how much? 5,000 plus 6667. 5667. You will find here the remaining amount between B and C is in profit sharing ratio between B and C. 10,000 minus 1667, that is 8333, and then 10,000 minus 5667 is equal to, okay, this one is 7. 10,000 minus 1333 is equal to 8667. 8667. 10,000 minus 5667 is equal to 4333. See beta, Mr. B and C are now in their profit sharing ratio. You can check they are having 2:1 between them. The capital amount also belongs to B and C has been proportionated to their profit sharing ratio. The excess was paid. This is the main purpose of this thing. Okay beta. Mr. A is still having unequal capital. Okay, they will get next payment. Can you please tell if another relation is also there, and this will be called relation number 1, and if I am saying second relation is also there, we take an example. Yes, suppose second relation is there. Come on, tell me amount. I will take the same amount. Tell me everyone, whatever amount you want to tell. Otherwise I will take example of my amount, or you can say what the amount you are thinking at this stage. If this is the, otherwise you will say na, if this is the amount, then what will happen? Tell me first. I will take the same amount. Suppose relation amount is there. Second relation, how much? Batao. Bolo beta. Tell me. What should I take for you so that you can understand the example with clarity? So first one is there who answered. I will take the amount of that person who is answering fastest. Anyways, so Abdul is saying 8,000. So second relation is if they are 8,000. Now we have to decide how the amount will be distributed. Beta, see, Mr. B and C are being distributed their excess, but no total. Can you please tell everyone? Answer me first. What Mr. B and C could get total yet now? Up to this. Sir, it is very simple. You can add in calculator these amount because Mr. B and C could get only this. Okay, then add that. Sir, this is 7,000. You can also directly move to this. Yes, but I want answer to you. So 7,000 they have got. What the amount they should got so that they can get their excess? Of course, they need to be paid 10,000 so that their inequality, both of their inequality can be removed and they can be now in the ratio with A, B and C. So what B and C are having inequality in their ratio, total must be them, they must be paid 10,000. Out of them, we have already paid them 7,000. What excess first we have to pay them so that A can also be in the queue. A is also in queue now, so that A can also be participant of the amount distribution. First, the excess they have invested, they must be removed. Okay. So out of this 8,000, first we have to pay the balance excess of Mr. B and C. The balance excess, blue pen I am using, remaining excess, I will say remaining excess. How much is amount? That is 3,000. No? Yes, 3,000. So out of this 8,000, first we have to pay 3,000 to Mr. B and C. But a B and C, what is the ratio? 2:1 between them. So 3,000, it means 2,000 he will get and 3,000 Mr. C will get. Now, if I am asking you, what is the remaining status of this? Sir, out of 8,000, you have distributed how much? Wait a minute, 2,000 and 1,000, I think, है ना? Yes, 2,000 and 1,000. The remaining status is 10,000 pendency. 8,667 minus 2,000, that is 6,667. And what about him? 3,333. Have they come? Have their capital come in profit and loss ratio? Yes. Now, remaining amount will be available 5,000. Now, distribution will be done to all A, B, and C in their profit sharing ratio, since whatever they have invested more as compared to each other, they are getting the same. Okay, beta. How 3,000? Beta, okay, I am telling you again, repeating again. Beta, what the amount they need to be paid so that they can compensate their extra? Can you please tell? Yes, sir. This is 10,000. If B and C are getting 10,000, they will be compensated for their extra investment. What the amount on the first relation they could get? They could get only 7,000. It means first we have to pay to them 3,000 from the second relation so that their excess can be removed, and A and B and C, all of them can get their payment in profit sharing ratio, so that payment can be start with A also. So their excess part, remaining excess part, we have paid here, beta, 2,000, 1,000. So see, you will find here the 3,000 and 7,000 has been paid to B and C to remove their inequality of the ratio by paying them, compensating them 10,000. Now the remaining amount belongs to A, B, and C. So their pendency is also now in profit and loss ratio. You can check 10,000, 6,667, 333. These are having 3:1 ratio. The excess over their ratio has been compensated first. Now everyone will get each and every payment sharing in their profit sharing ratio. 5,667. Okay. Prachi is asking, sir, how 5,667? Beta, see. I am highlighting first Mr. A's color. Okay, beta. Mr. B's color. What Mr. B got in the first relation, that is nil. Mr. C got 5,000, this one, beta. And C. This is to be paid. Yes, this is to be paid. And then 2,000 C. Beta, 5,000 and 6,667. You know, 5,000 was paid first to Mr. C, and remaining 2,000 was paid to B and C in their profit sharing ratio. So Mr. B got 1,333 and Mr. C got 5,000 plus 6,667. It is easy, sir. Clear till now? Beta, Prachi was asking doubt, so I am waiting for an answer. Beta, if anyone is also having doubt, then you can share here doubt, because after that I want to give you break so that you can take a break and you will attack on question directly. And I am telling you, from after the break we shall do the question, so that if anyone want to use your break time still, then they can utilize their time. Beta, this will be our question after the break. Anant, question number 2. I have collected 2 questions, and there is no change between the last batch PDF and this one, because the course is being redesigned. So I will also change the question in the next session. So beta ji, I am waiting. Nipun has answered. Prachi beta, you asked doubt. Your doubt is cleared or not? Prachi beta, if your doubt is clear, then write down clear. Otherwise, write down here, sir, not clear. That is the problem, etc., etc. I think Prachi is enjoying dosa. Okay, beta. Prachi, no, beta, no dosa, please. Please answer here doubt. Anyways, now beta see. Suppose next relation is there, that is, beta, tell me the amount. After that, we shall take break. Next amount, who will tell? Who will tell first? Clear, sir. Okay. Yes, okay. First amount has been given by Krishnan. Okay. Suppose next realization of amount is 5,000. How that will be distributed? Okay. Still we have to distribute. Wait. He was saying for this 5,000. Okay. First we have to distribute this. Yes. Distribute this in the ratio 5,000 into 3 divided by 6. That is 2,500. 1,667. 833. Total is 5,000, which has been reduced from here. Remaining is 15,000, and you will find their balancing figure are also in ratio now. Fractions have been removed. You know, their capital balances are in their profit and loss ratio. Now, if third relation is there, then you already know how that will be dealt. If third relation is there, and I am taking example, suppose this is 12,000, and suppose this is last realization. Oh, after that nothing will be realized. No, beta, that will be distributed to A, B, and C. Of course, their profit and loss ratio. 3 तो 5 और 6 12 है ना 12 6,000 6 4,000 2,000 12,000. What about remaining 3,000? Oh, this is realization loss. This is loss 1,500, 1,000, and 500. But you will find here the profit and loss ratio. In the profit and loss ratio, if I will take 15,000, then there will be nothing, beta. Everything will be zero. What happens is profit is there or loss is there. That totally depends on different amount. So for 15,000 is pending, and if we realize 12,000, then there will be loss. That will be in profit and loss ratio. If more than 15,000 we take here, there will be relation. There will be profit, and that profit will also be in profit and loss ratio. Okay, beta. So everyone, this was the purpose of this chapter, that if any dissolution is being done, then it should be in this way, that last profit loss ratio, the last profit or loss will be in their profit loss ratio. 3 to 1 and not 2 1, because beta 2 1 belongs to B and C only. Their axis has been paid. Now everything is being shared with A, B, and C, and A is having 3 ratio. So we are taking a break. After the break, we shall also do some practice. Okay, beta? Take a break. Sir, break लगा दीजिए. Yes. हाँ जी बच्चों, everyone please give me ready. Everyone, beta, we are starting a question and Danesh is asking another doubt. Study material, beta, we are doing here highest relative capital method. The highest in the capital is being paid first. Okay, beta. Danesh, maximum loss method today I will not cover because that may clash between two concepts. Okay, beta. Danesh, have you got my answer? Beta, are you there? Ready. Ready. Hani is ready. Jyoti is ready. Khushi is ready. Vedika is ready. And where are rest one? Everyone. Okay. One request from all of you. Beta, always answer in live mode. Instant mode. So that we can move further timely. Okay, beta. See, Anant Associates is a reputed firm. Anant Associates is a reputed firm. ठीक है. On account of misunderstanding between the partners, among the partners, it was decided to dissolve the firm on 31st December 2019. But the firm is being dissolved and the balance sheet is there. What the kind of the things are there in the balance sheet? Assets and the capitals, mortgage loans, bank overdraft, see, other loans, creditors, partners loan. If I ask you, beta, tell me what are the assets which are to be realized, then you will say, sir, these are the assets to be realized, to whom we have to convert in the cash, and cash is already cash, so we do not need to convert the cash into cash again. Okay, then if I ask you, beta, what are the liabilities, can you please tell? Yes, sir, these are the liabilities, external liabilities. If I ask you, beta, what are the owner's account, definitely you will answer these are the owner's account. But remember, chota bachcha is also there, small kiddie is also partner, and you know, as per our Indian Contract Act, minor cannot be partner for the loss sharing. Remember, we have to follow all the laws. Whether question is informing about this or not, we have to follow law. Next one. If I ask you, beta, tell me what is internal liability, or you can say partner loan. These are the partner loan. Yes. Prerna question will tell, otherwise nil. Okay, beta. Okay, beta, Prerna. And I request you one thing, beta. Whatever you are feeling about class, whatever feedback you are having, then please kindly post your feedback to respected ICA, whatever the site is there where you should post, then please always post so that I can get the feedback for the updation in the next class for you. Anyways, sir, how you give sequence in outside liability? Yes, Danesh, this is the things which we have to take care. Very good. So Danesh is asking very advanced thing, which was to discuss here later on, but still, since he asked the question, so I am answering here. Beta, mortgage loan means mortgage loan means we are having something mortgage. It means that is secured. That is secured. Here in this question, we are assuming that mortgage loan is secured based on the fixed assets. Okay, based on the other fixed assets. Beta, we are assuming here that these are secured based on other fixed assets. Okay, now what about bank overdraft? Usually bank OD is done based on stock and debtors. So we are taking here based on stock. Okay, beta. There is security regarding this. You know, in the practical life, we are having CC limit, bank OD, etc., etc. Those are given based on the stock and debtors. Okay. Anyways, now coming to the question. Beta, see what question is saying. What question is saying? See, question is saying that it was decided that Mr. Anant shall be in charge for realization. Yes. Mr. Anant shall be in charge for realization and he shall set apart 10,000 toward expenses. It means if cash is there 20,000, then first keep them separately 10,000 for expense, and after that the only remaining available cash is there 10,000, which is to be able to distribute. But this is available for distribution. The remaining 10,000 has been kept. Remaining 10,000 has been kept for the purpose of expenses. Okay, beta. If anyone is having doubt, even a single point, then you can post instantly. Okay, beta. Now see. Now see. Take the thing easy. You will find the thing easy. Sometimes we see in exam the question is 4 to 5 page or 1 to 2 page, something like that. We feel that is very typical question, but it doesn't. But see, everything here is belonging to balance sheet. Always relate to balance sheet. See, if question is now giving here that he shall be paid 5% commission on the amount distributed to partners. Now, what does it mean as a partner? Partner means audio video sub okay hai na? Yes, okay. What does it mean by partners? Partner means Anant, Kishore and Kumar. Means Anant is also included in the partners. It means as a firm and as a realizer, both are different thing. Okay, beta. In the case of realization, Anant is getting commission not as a partner, as a realizer. If question is saying that on the amount distributed to partners, it means the amount totally belongs to partner, available for distribution to partners will be paid to him separately. Everything is okay. Okay, beta. So first I want to ask you, up to this anything is there which is creating any problem for you, beta? Means before starting the realization part, you have concluded all the things that assets are there which are to be realized. Cash is already cash. Out of that, for the time being, 10,000 is not to be distributed. That is to be kept separately for the purpose of expenses of realization. And remaining 10,000 is available for distribution. And here we comes to liability. External liabilities will be paid first, but we have to check. If anything is secured, it means based on the security, we have to check the secured assets, the secured liability, both of them are being matched. If that asset is being realized, then that creditor is to be paid first. That creditor is to be paid first. If suppose in this example, we pre-assume that stock is being realized, then stock has been presumed here for the purpose of security of bank overdraft. Stock is there which is being realized, then first bank overdraft will be paid. If still amount is balanced, only then that can be available to rest of the unsecured creditors. See, taking another point of this question that will also clear you more. Mortgage loan is there against which fixed assets are being mortgaged. Definitely mortgage word signifies that something has been mortgaged. It means, and usually it is fixed assets. So it is presumed that other fixed assets are belonging to mortgage loan. And if those assets are being realized, then first they have to be utilized for the payment of mortgage loan. If still remaining amount is there, then that will be available for the distribution of others. But what happens? Okay, beta Krishnan, I will repeat, don't worry. But what happens if other fixed asset realize less than the mortgage amount? Then for the remaining amount, mortgage loan will also be like unsecured creditors, as there are other unsecured creditors for the remaining unpaid part. Okay, beta. See, now we are moving to further. Again, repeating the cash part, as Krishnan is asking. Beta Krishnan, question is saying, see, I am highlighting with different color. Shall set apart 10,000 towards expenses. It means out of 20,000, first we have to keep 10,000 separately for the purpose of relation expenses. Only the 10,000 remaining part will be available. It means if 5,000 has been kept, then 15,000 could be available. If 8,000 has been kept, then 12,000 could be available for distribution. Okay, beta. Now, so question is given different dates. So different dates, yes. In the first unit, all the relation happens on the single date. Now, question is giving different date. The dissolution took place on 31st December 2019, and realization starts. First realization of amount 3,50,000 on January 1st. January 1st. If I ask you, beta, this 3,50,000 will be available to all of the creditors or other than mortgage and bank overdraft? I am asking you, tell me first. This 3,50,000 should be distributed to whom? To whom this should be first? This should be distributed first. Mortgage loan or other than mortgage and bank overdraft? Yes, beta. Pranav, yes. Yes, beta, we can take different assumption. Don't worry. If we are discussing on a set assumption, then we shall ask now doubt at this assumption. Okay, beta. If we are taking different assumption, then we can move accordingly. Okay. Now listen to me very carefully. What I am asking. Why there are two debtors in relation part, not a single for stock? Yes, that's the thing I want to discuss. Beta, is this necessary that all the debtors will pay on single date? No. Debtor number 1, debtor number 2, debtor number 3, many debtors are there. All of them usually in practical life can never be paid on the same date. Never. Because the terms are different. Someone is being sold 30 days outside credit period. Another one is 45. Then someone is 60 days, etc., etc. So, beta, that's the reason total debtors will be realized at different date. Another point, beta. Now, at the first date, when we realize 3,50,000 from debtors, now my question is, beta, 3,50,000 will be available for secured liabilities also or not? Means for mortgage loan or not? And now I am giving you answer. Yes. Yes. But it will not be paid only to mortgage loan first, because mortgage loan are here specific charge secured. They are secured against other fixed assets, not against debtor. So two line you have to keep. Number 1, the assets which have been given to secured debtors is not being realized. Number 1. Number 2, the secured debtors are unsecured for other assets. If other assets are being realized first, then mortgage debtors, which is unsecured for others. Okay, beta. So they will also be in queue of other creditors as a unsecured creditor, because they are secured for based on particular assets. But for other assets, he is in the queue of unsecured, beta. That's the thing I want to communicate with you all. Anyways, now I hope you got the point. Beta, now we are to prepare the statement for which we will be getting the marks. And what is the statement? That is statement showing this piecemeal distribution. Okay, beta, prepare a statement showing distributed amount to be distributed, assuming that actual expenses happened 20005 20,005. Okay, and what is the profit loss ratio? Since he is minor, hence he can be shareable only in profits, but in case of loss, this will be the ratio. Of course, A, B, Anant and Kishore will be equal. Okay, beta. Now we are moving to further. It means secured liabilities will have preference, yes, but only when their assets being realized. If other assets are being realized, they will be like unsecured creditors. They will be counted as unsecured creditors. Okay, let's start. I am solving here the question. Beta, please prepare. First, write down answer number 2. Now, I'm writing here statement showing piecemeal distribution statement showing piecemeal distributions. Okay, this one. See, beta, how the statement will be prepared. See, in this way. Beta, please do slowly. There are multiple things to discuss here. The main thing is everything must be in our control. So I am writing here first. The balance sheet date comes between of realization. So the partner need to prepare financial statement for that year. Yes, beta, you are absolutely right. See, first column is there particulars. First column is there for particulars. Then this column is for cash available. Then you are having liabilities. How many liabilities are there? External liabilities and internal liabilities. And then you are having partners capital. 3 partners are there. And last one is total amount. Can I write down now here? Yes, sir. So, okay, let me insert column first. First one is cash available and okay, भाग गया भाई, फिर उस दिन किधर हो गया? Wait a minute. A minute. Wait a minute, beta. एक मिनट रुको. Yes, this is not MS Word. This is different. Anyways. Yes. One, two, and three. And here partners. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yes. Now it will be good. Beta C. This is the statement. Yes, yes, yes. See, we shall do practice from here. Yes, solution. Solution write down or answer write down. Same meaning there. So first one column is particulars. Please note down in fast mode. Particulars. Then cash available. Then it will be cash available. No, beta, that will be date column is not necessary. Date you have to write in the particular column. Okay, Babu? Cash available. Next column is secured liabilities. And then unsecured liability. And then partners loan. Partners loan. Okay, beta. And then partners capital. So I am writing here. After that is total column. Total column is not necessary. Remember, I am giving you maximum presentation. No need to do all the things if you are not comfortable with all the things. Okay, beta, you can do your presentation which you feel best. Anant, first one partner is Anant, and second partner is Kishore, and third partner is Kumar. Kumar is Kumar, minor. Next. Now, what about partner loan? We are having partner loan. We are having Kumar's loan. Okay, beta. Kumar's loan. Yes. Next. In case of unsecured liability, what we are having? Okay. This is also secured. Okay, take one example that stock is also unsecured. Okay, that will be more easy. We are taking assumption now. Yes. Anyways, Now writing here board of director bank overdraft. Nowadays I am on audit of a public company, so I used to term daily board of director, something like that. So that's the reason I am saying here other loans. And next one is creditors. Yes. Okay, beta. I hope everything is clear to you yet now that what the column we are maintaining here. Can I expect okay or not okay? Tell me everyone. Till this okay or not okay? Please give me ready so that I can start. Now we are solving the question. Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, mortgage loan. Okay. Very good. Nipun. Krishnan. Mortgage loan. It will be you who will decide how you will present your answer in exam. Okay, beta? What I have, I am sharing here. How you will share in exam, it is totally your choice. So now, first of all, I am writing here balances. What the balances we are having. Okay, beta? See how you will prepare the statement in exam. Beta, see. First, you will write here the balances you are having. See the balance sheet. You are having cash of rupees 20,000. You are having cash of rupees 20,000. You are having other balances. You are having mortgage loan. How much amount is there? 3 lakh. Bank overdraft also 3 lakh. Okay. Other loans 2 lakh. Creditors 2 lakhs. Partner loan 2 lakhs. And then Anant capital is 3 lakh. Beta, Kishore and Kumar 2 lakh and 1 lakh. Can anyone tell me total? What the total of payments requirement? What the total of payments requirement means? You have to total accept cash, and it is not necessary that in exam you will do total. Okay, beta, as I have already informed you that it is totally depending on you. Okay, I am adding here 3 और 3 6 और 2 8 और 2 10 और 2 12 और 3 15 और 2 17 और 1 18. It is 18 lakh. It is 18 lakh which is required to pay to all. Very good. Beta, 18 which is required to be paid to all. Is the screen clearly visible? If you are having any problem, then you can tell me immediately. So cash balance is available 20,000. Beta, we have to pay, but before that we have to keep 10,000 separately. So first keep 10,000 separately. Very, very easy. Less provision. Okay, I will do the typing mode. Less provisions for expenses. And what the amount is there which is being kept as a provision for expenses, that is 10,000. It means, beta ji, it means amount available, how much? Remaining 10,000. Now moving further, but before moving further, I want ready from all of you who are sleeping. and not sleeping? Show me your presence. How many have you gone to sleep? Tell me, everyone. And who are enjoying paratha, please, they can also message. They will not get any disturbance. Maggie's. So show me your presence fast. I am waiting for your answer. They can also answer who are taking tea with samosa. Okay, awaken. Okay. So beta ji, 10,000 is the balance available. And after that, again, there is some realization. Now I am putting here the date. So first realization is beta this one. This is our first realization on January 1st. 3,50,000. 3,50,000. See. Please put here the date. This is what? This is 1st Jan 2019 as per the question requirement. The realization is there. Realize from debtors. How much is the amount? How much is amount? That is 3,50,000. 3,50,000. It means total available amount for distribution is 3,60,000. 3,60,000, not sleeping, sir. 3,60,000. Now, beta, we are distributing this 3,60,000 in which ratio? Sir, first we have to distribute to secured creditors. Most of the students will think this. Beta, when they are secured, specifically, they are secured by specific charge. They are secured by other fixed assets. Then they will get priority only when the other fixed assets will get sold. 16 to 20. Now, beta ji, in this, we are having relation for other than the specifically giving them as a mortgage. It means for other assets, they are like unsecured. So beta, here we have to distribute in this way. Paid to all. The ratio is this one. 3:3:2:2. Beta, remember, outsider liabilities are to be paid first. And outsider liabilities ratio is 3:3:2:2. First, we have to pay to outsider. And since all are now unsecured for this realization, they have not been given the specifically security of debtors. It means they are unsecured as an unsecured for these realization. Okay, beta. So these are to be distributed in their amount outstanding ratio. So please distribute. Who will tell me the amount? I am waiting for an answer, beta. Who will tell me the amount? Oh. 72,000. Again 72,000. 1,08,000. 1,08,000. Beta, in this way, distribution of 3,60,000 is done. Is it necessary to do the balance at each stage? No, beta. But I am doing here just to give you the maximum clarity from my side. Beta, 3,60,000 have been distributed. Now, what the remaining amount is there to be paid to all? 14,40,000. 14,40,000. What the amount remaining? 1 lakh for this person, 2 lakh for this person, 3 lakh for another one. $2 lakh for this person, and for this 1,28,000, 1,28,000. हाँ जी, how much? 1,92,000, 1,92,000. Come on, sing a song. 1,92,000. The amount balance is there, nil. कुछ नहीं रहा हमारे पास, जो भी हमारे पास था सब तुम्ही को दे दिया. Next. But mortgage is secured then by? Beta, mortgage is secured by specific security, not by floating charge. Okay, beta. Anyways, now coming to next relation, and next relation is of course of which? Fixed assets. Oh, this is the thing which is being realized, and that has been given as a specific security. सर एक क्वेश्चन है एग्जाम में जो आंसर शीट मिलती है उसमें इतना स्पेस नहीं होता, तो लिखना कैसे होगा इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन? प्रिंस दोनों पेज पर, लेफ्ट और राइट पर. ओके बेटा, सिंस यू आस्क इन हिंदी, सो आई आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन इन हिंदी. या अनदर वन पॉइंट इज दिस वन. बेटा, आई विल बी वेटिंग फॉर इट टुडेज फीडबैक टू you must post to ICI. I will be waiting. Okay, because this is the very important lecture, and I don't know how many of you are getting the whole things. 15 Jan 2019 is another relation date. It is 20 or 19. It is 20. Okay, 20 2020. Okay, and another one is also having 2020. Next one. Beta, there is a realization from which? Realization from other fixed assets. How much is the amount? Please show the table. Sir, where do I get this question? I just joined for the first time. Aditi beta, already PDF are there in the application. Beta, you can find from the earlier batch also and this batch also. Anyways, show me the table. Beta, which table? This is the complete table. Now, realization of other fixed assets. Can you please tell what is the amount of relation? Yes, sir. It is very simple. You can check book. Okay, beta. This is the amount, 4 lakh. Okay. So amount is there, that is 4 lakh. But remember, this amount belongs to other fixed assets, and fixed assets is specifically mortgage to mortgage loan. Okay. Now what happens? Now, mortgage loan is having the priority for this, for its own collection. So first we have to pay to mortgage loan first, because the assets was specifically mortgage. That's another thing, that mortgage loan assets, fixed assets, was sold at different date, later date, but for the earlier date it was like unsecured. So he was enjoying the payment as a like other unsecured. Now at this date he will have the priority because his mortgage assets is being sold. And what the amount pending for him? That is 1,92,000. Only that can be paid to him, na? Yes, sir. So 1,92,000 has been paid to him, and his balance is nil now. What the remaining amount is there, sir? Beta, calculate. 4 lakh minus 1,92,000. How much is the amount? 2,08,000. 2,08,000. Now, how this will be distributed to all? Sir, of course, their pending amount ratio. Their pending amount ratio. How 3,60,000? Beta, 10,000 was there already in cash, and 350 was relation. Beta, Okay, Krishnan, good morning. Now, 2,08,000 is to be paid to whom, beta? Can you please tell? Yes, sir. The remaining unsecured liabilities in their pending amount ratio. Can I write here? Paid to unsecured liability, and ratio is there 192 is to 128 is to 128. Dear, amount outstanding ratio. All the unsecured creditors are the same line, on the same line. Who will tell me amount? 2,08,000 into, okay, first do the total. 192 plus 208, sorry, 192 plus 128 plus 128. This is total is 448. Now we will do the proportion. 2,08,000 multiplied by 192 divided by 448, and the amount here comes is 89148, and another is 59429, and second last one is 59428. So do we need to calculate the balances again and again? No, beta. Just for more clarity, I am doing the same. What the amount we have distributed here out of total 14,40,000? That is 4 lakh. 4 lakh have been distributed. The remaining amount is there 10,40,000. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh, nil, and the remaining balance of these things are, these three columns are 192,000 minus 89,148, that is 1,02,852. I will be zooming, don't worry, but I want to connect with you all. I want to make link of all of you. 571. The same will be outstanding of another. So I am now zooming here. So these are the balances, beta, which are still to be settled. Okay. Now another date of realization is which one? Another date is this one. After 15 Feb. Okay, this was 15 Feb. Okay, we have written here 15 Jan. Okay, no, it is 15 Jan. Now 2nd Feb 2020, debtors are being realized. Total column was just to control the chart, nothing else. If you want to ignore, then you can ignore that. Beta, for total column, we are to do the total of these things only up to yet. These are the 18 lakhs, then remaining amount total. Okay, and so on. Okay, beta, Krishnan. Now another relation is on 1st Feb. Please write down here 1st Feb. At this 1st Feb 2020, there is realization from debtors again. Some more debtors are there which are paying now, and the amount collected here is how much? That is 50,000. Okay. To whom it must be distributed? Okay. Yeah, I want to continue, Prince, but I do not want to take risk. That's the reason I am continuing without with balance. Okay, beta. That's good thing that you are catching so fast, but I need to take all the students simultaneously, Babu. Okay, Prince. और फीडबैक जरूर देना प्रिंस, ठीक है, उसमें लिख देना कि सर ऐसा कर लिया करो, ठीक है. Anyways, now what is the amount available? That is 50,000. Now we have to distribute this amount. To whom it must be paid? Of course, this should be paid to all of these things. Their outstanding ratio, beta ratio will be 102,852 is to 68,571 is to 68,571, and total 50,000 is being distributed, and the amount is there 21,429. Wait a minute. ये कितना है? This one is 3 and this one is 7. Yes. 429, then 14,285, and then 14,286. So this is the balance amount. Okay. Okay, beta. Yes. So we have distributed again 50,000 and 9,90,000 is pending. Okay, beta. 9,90,000 is pending, and 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 2 lakh, and 1 lakh. Now, this is what? This is nil. Next one is pending amount is how much? 81,428. Next one is 54,286. Next one is again 54,286. So beta, now it is the turn of next realization. Very good. Everyone was answering. Perfect. So next realization is on which date and what is the amount? This is on 15 Feb. That is bill amount. That is 1,40,000, and that is on 15 Feb. Can I write now first? Yes, sir. This is what? This is 15th Feb 2020, and realization belongs to bills. Realization. Now I am not typing. You have to bear my writing. Relation from debtors. Is this debtor? No, bills. Bills of exchange. What is the amount? That is 1,40,000. So beta, 1,40,000 you are distributing. 1,40,000 you are distributing again in this ratio. The ratio is 81,428 is to 54,286 is to 54,286. And here comes amount 1,40,000 in this way. 60,000, 40,000, and then 40,000. And remaining amount is there. That is nil here, and for them 21,428. This one Then again the same. Now coming back to the main column. Again, after 15 Feb, now we are on next relation, that is 1st March. 1st March beta. And here comes fixed assets. Okay. I think many of students has gone to sleep. Can you please show me your presence? Everyone, it's the time to give attendance again and again. Please leave dosage, etc. And now please focus on the study. Can you show me your presence? 1st March 2020. Realization from land and building. I think no one is there. Everyone is now in their dream. Oh, we are here. Okay, very good. Present. Okay, not sleeping. No, sir, awake. All outside loan realize. Very good. Abdul is doing fast. Very good. So now, after that, first we will pay their pending amount. Okay. Minus paid to unsecured. What is their amount? 21,428, 14,286. And after that, what is the total amount? 14,286 multiplied by 2 plus 2,1,428. But this is 50,000. 50,000 has been paid to outsider for their liabilities. Remaining amount is 7,50,000. Now, after that, we shall pay to partner for their loan. 50,000 fixes a miss. I think 50,000 we have. Okay, it is 50,000. Oh, on 1st March. Yes, it is 50,000. Okay, beta. Everyone, please do this as a 50,000. This is 50,000. Okay, beta. Yes, it was being missed. 50,000 is there, which have been paid to outsiders. Okay. Okay. Now, after that, what is the pending amount? That is 2 lakh for partners loan. Okay. 2 lakh for Kumar's loan and 3 lakh for capital. And these are also capital balances. 50,000 has been paid. 8 lakhs are remaining. Beta, it is not necessary that you will prepare total column. It is just from my side. Whatever you want to do, you can do. Yes. Now, next relation is of which date? That is 15th March. I think this is the last realization. 8 lakh. Yes. 8 lakh is there. 6 lakh you are not getting. Which 6 lakh, beta? I am waiting, beta. Which 6 lakh? You are not getting 6 lakh. Krishnan, tell me. So next realization is 15th March. 15th March. Krishnan, beta, I am waiting for your question. 15th March 2020. So I am waiting for your answer, beta. Krishnan. First, we realize 8 lakh. Then we have to pay in this way For this, we have to do some calculation. What the amount to be paid to partners as a capital and as a loan. See, we are not having the balances in starting column, so I am removing them. Only the relevant, at the relevant stage, we should maintain the column. Now, pendencies for partners capital, acha, complete. Okay, very good. So from 8 lakh beta, first we have to, since it's the last realization, first we have to compensate the remaining part of expenses. You know, for 20,005 rupees expenses, we utilized earlierly kept 10,000 balance, but still there is more requirement of 10,005 rupees for the purpose of expenses. Okay, beta. And you know, first realization expenses are paid to get the assets realized. These are the realization expenses. I am writing here 20005 minus earlier kept. It means remaining required, how much? That is 10,005. So the remaining amount available is 789,995. So this is the amount which is to be distributed. Now we have to decide here. In this question, first we have to pay to the partner as his loan minus Kumar's loan. He is partner and we are paying his loan, Kumar's loan. That is 2 lakh. So beta, after paying 2 lakh rupees to Kumar's loan, after paying rupees 2 lakh to Kumar's loan, the remaining amount here available is 589995. Kumar will get its loan 2 lakh, but the capital payments are not there, you know. So remaining amount is 6 lakh, which is pending for in regards to capital, that is 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and then 3 lakh. Now beta, now it's the turn to distribute this thing, but before that we have to read one more sentence of this question. Till this clear now? Pehle, first tell me this one. Message me first, tell me up to this clear to you all or not. Now chapter is being started now in this question, because the chapter name is piecemeal distribution, and piecemeal distribution means the distribution between the partners. So this is the chapter. Clear this now? Okay, till this clear. Now beta, question is saying another point, this one, that he shall be paid 5% remuneration of the amount distributed to partners. He is not saying the final distribution to others. Remember, in the earlier class, there was also commission when one of the partner was appointed as a realizer, and he was getting the remuneration on the based on the percentage of the finally payable to others. Okay, but now question is saying of the partners. It means for the total firm. Okay, beta. So if he is getting the 5% remuneration, then there will be remuneration reduction first minus remuneration. The amount available is 589995. It means there will be multiplied by 5 divided by, I think 19 is more. Yes. 5 divided by 105, because out of the total distribution to partners, he will be getting the amount in this way. See beta, first we have to calculate the amount as a remuneration. And remember beta, after remuneration there will be amount available for distribution, that is 28095, and the amount available is 561,900. Now point is that now it's the turn for payment to partners, but definitely there is no question that minor will be paid first. Kumar's capital, because he is not deserving the loss as per Indian Contract Act. Kumar's loan, Partnership Act. How much is amount for Kumar? Kumar beta, tell me. Kumar is saying my pending amount is 1 lakh. Okay, you will not lose anything. 1 lakh. Law is in favor of you. And now Kumar is getting his full amount. Okay. Now the pendency is only and only for remaining partners, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. That is 5 lakh pending there. Beta, but how much is amount available? That is, how much is amount available? That is 4,61,900 available. Now the chapter start, and you will tell me who is in the painful situation. Beta, here two methods are there to calculate this payment amount. First method is that which I have discussed with you, that is called surplus distribution method, proportionate distribution method. Another method is also there which will calculate the same amount, and that is named as maximum possible loss method. We are not discussing about the same. We are just taking the name only. Okay beta, here while we will be calculating the payment paid to whom, that will be calculated in a separate working note, and final amount will be profit or loss. Okay beta, for this we are preparing here working note, and if we are solving the question by proportionate distribution method, or you can say by surplus method, it totally depends on question. As in this question there is surplus distribution method. Bete, the same answer will be there. Okay beta, remember there are two methods to calculate this amount, and another method is named as, which I have not discussed yet now, and I will not discuss in today's class, so that there may be clarity of concept for all of you. Maximum possible loss method. In this class we are solving the question only by surplus distribution method. Sir, it means chapter is complete, this unit is complete if we are solving the same question with a different method. Yes beta, that is the chapter. So we are only the working note differs. Anant and Kishore. only two partners are in competition for surplus distribution calculation. And again, we shall do the calculation in the same way which we have learned. Beta, what is the pending amount? Sir, 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Okay, beta. 3 lakh and 2 lakh. Capital remaining is 3 lakh and 2 lakh. And what is their ratio? Profit and loss ratio is equal 2:2. Okay. What is the per unit base? What is the per unit base? Mr. Anant is investing. Mr. Anant is investing for per unit. I know directly we can see there is excess of 1 lakh. Okay. Per unit base is 1 lakh. And here per unit base is 2 lakh. Which one is there? Who is at the lower payer for per unit? That is Mr. Anant. Mr. Anant is paying 1 lakh for per unit. What is the required capital that should be invested? Based on the per unit, he must be invested 2 lakh. And he must be invested 2 lakh. So who is the excess investor? Of course, 1 lakh belongs to Anant. 1 lakh belongs to Anant. Oh, something is wrong, I think. This is 1,50,000. Wait a minute, beta. 1,50,000 per unit base. And per unit base is lowest, this one. So based on him, he must be invested 3 lakh. And this one, oh, this one is 1 lakh. Sorry, calculation mistake is there. Wait a minute. 1,50,000 and 1 lakh, and the lower per unit base is this one. Yes. So based on that, required capital is 2 lakh and then 2 lakh. So excessly invested by Anant, that is 1 lakh. This is what? Excess. Yes. Very good. Very good. So first, out of that, first payment will be, so how much is the amount? Total available. Wait a minute. Total available amount is how much? Sir, that is 4,61,900. To whom it will be paid? Sir, first he will be paid 1 lakh. How much is remaining? Out of that, 1 lakh has been distributed. That is 3,61,900. So second, that will be paid 3,60,100. 3,61,900 will be distributed in the ratio. Ratio is okay, 2:2. 361,900 divided by 2. That is 180,950 and 180,950. Beta, 280,950, 180,950. Not clear, Anant and Kishore. How 2:2? Beta, question is given ratio na. We are taking the same. Beta, question is given 2:2. That's the reason we are taking 2:2. Okay, beta, Krishnan. Anyways, so 280,950 will be paid. So total payment is there 461,900, and this will be paid in this way. How much was the amount? That was 28950. 28950 and here is 18950. 19050 wait a minute, 3 lakh minus 280950, that is 9050. And this was the purpose, that remaining profit and loss must be in their profit and loss ratio. The remaining profit or loss, the final profit and loss must be in their profit sharing ratio, profit loss sharing ratio. This is the purpose of this chapter. Tell me everyone, is this okay? Yes, this is the loss. Can you please tell? Everyone, can you please tell? Is this okay to all of you? I think everything is okay. I am waiting for your feedback, beta. Please tell me. Understood. Yes, sir, this question can be solved by both methods. Yes, beta, but if question is saying for one method, then we have to solve by that method. Although I seriously, I can do complete this unit in today's class by taking 10 or to 15 minutes more extra, but that may hamper your concept. That may give a problem to you. Okay, beta. So that's the reason I'm not taking the same thing in today's class. The same question will be solved by another method, maximum possible loss method in the next class. Okay, beta. For the time, you are having the homework of question number 1, RVST. Okay. So, beta, I will die heartily wait for your feedback. Whatever feedback you are having, then please post to ICI. Only then I will get more motivation from your side for the next class. And please post your doubt also there, so that I can give the solution of your doubt in the next class. Okay. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. You are right. 1 lakh belongs to Kumar's loan. Yes. After Kumar's loan, beta, 4,61,000 is feedback done. Thank you, beta. Piyush, Ankit, Prince, Krishnan, Danesh, Hani, Jyoti, Vinay, Nipun, and all rest of the students which are not involving right now in chat, or their message is gone upper side, Varsha, etc. all bacha, please give your feedback to ICI. Okay. Piyush has done simultaneously. Okay. Okay, beta. Yes, beta. Here assumption has taken yes only for the secured assets. Okay, beta. Thank you, beta. Nipun has also done feedback. Prince has also. Thank you, beta. Prince. Anyways, now I am closing this today's session, and we shall meet in the next class. But please post your doubt at the email ID just provided in today's class, because doubt will be directly solving at the start of the class, so that there may not be wastage of time in reading the doubt and discussing again the doubt, so that I can explain the doubt to other students also. They can catch with shortage of time. Okay, beta. Okay, beta, this should be maximum to maximum 20 minutes, 20 to 15 minutes, and definitely you will get the same, but only when you will do practice. So long question will not come in exam. Remember, examiner is asking based on the numbers. Okay, beta. So length of question will not be so much, but I have collected the comprehensive question for you, just to make you understanding of all the concept in single 1 or 2 question. Okay, beta. Anyways, sir, balance 280901 distributed between the major partners. Yes, beta Prachi. Okay. Okay, bacho. Bye bye. Take care. I will die heartily wait for the feedback. Those who have not given the feedback, then please post your feedback and also doubts. Bye bye, beta.